Rusty with Dingo Power here. Just wanted to do another quick video. Batteries for dingoes. We've got 25 here. So many times I've came up to a 525 or a 427 or 420, and what do I see in here? Lawn and garden battery thrown in because stock OEM batteries really hard to find. One way or another, they just bolted onto the lugs and call it good, threw a bungee cord over it because you can't use the tie down because it's nowhere near the right size. I do understand that they are difficult, but this lawn and garden battery doesn't have the oomph to crank these 525s in the winter. Even 427s, when you're trying to start them in the wintertime, you're going to have difficulties. So get with us. We have the right battery for them. I believe they're 520 cold cranking amps, so over twice the cold cranking amps of these little lawn and gardens. They're going to last longer. You're going to be able to use the original tie downs. They are a tight fit, but they will fit in there just like OEM. Don't be that guy the backwards way. Get the right part from us. We have them online at dingopower.com. Look under the battery section. Thanks.